Hi, John. Hi, Neil. How's it going today? Oh, yeah, I'm fine. I feel very alert this morning. I was up at 6 a.m. 6 a.m.? That is so early. Why are you up so at that time? Hmm. Recently, I'm trying to exercise more. So I wake up at 6 a.m. and I go cycling just around 10 miles in the morning. Wow, that sounds really good. How long does that take? Hmm. The route that I go takes around 45 minutes. 45 minutes? Oh, you must be going very fast. Yeah, I've been doing it now every morning for around 1 month, and I feel really good. Ah, yeah, it is important to exercise. It will make you feel better and live longer. Yeah, I hope so. I hope so. I'm getting on a bit now. I'm now 55 years old. 55? I thought you were much younger. Ah, well, yeah, I like to keep young. Ah, yeah, I'm almost 40 years old now. Oh, good. That's still a good age. Yeah, thanks. I've also been trying to exercise more recently. On Monday evenings, I play football with my friends, and on Saturday mornings, I often go golfing. Oh, golfing? I like to go golfing. Oh, can you play well? Hmm, yeah, not bad. Not bad. Would you like to join me one day? One day? Yeah, I would. What time do you play on Saturday mornings? Saturday mornings we play around 7 a.m. We like to go early so that where we can finish by around 9:30, 10, and we still have the whole day to spend with our families, me and my friend. Ah, that's good. Maybe this week I can join you. Yeah, sure. Just hit me up. Shoot me a text. Okay, thanks. I'm going to go now and start work.